What is up, man? It's your boy Damn D. We are with I'm doing a little car video right now, right? Maybe like a few months ago I said that I was gonna start doing this, but I never did. Oh, let me wipe that. I said I was gonna start doing this, but I never did. And I don't know, I might bring it back, but I want to try something, man. I want to try something new that just came out. Right when I seen this, I said, I gotta try it. It's Wednesday. I love wings, and I love Wingstop. So y'all let me know in the comments. Do y'all want me to start doing food review videos? I don't know. We'll see how this how this video gets. If I get a good enough views, I'll start doing food reviews. You know what I mean? But Wingstop has a new sandwich. Ooh, has a new chicken sandwich. It's dry as hell, but this right here. Hold on, let me. This is hot lemon pepper. Ooh, boy, this thing is fresh out the man. So this is a pretty nice size sandwich. It's not big, it's not small. Pause. It's like a medium size. But this is hot lemon pepper. As you can see the lemon pepper on that thing. Yes, indeed. And then I got another one, right? I got two. And this is spicy Korean. Ooh-wee. Look at that spicy Korean. All right, so we got spicy Korean. And then we got hot lemon pepper. All right, so now I am a trainer. I do work out. I would say 90% of the time I eat healthy, but I can afford to, splurge like this, because like I said, I would say about 85% of the time I eat real strict. I eat clean. I eat real clean, so I can afford to eat like this. And ooh, look at this. I'm about to put some of this. Ooh wee! About to put some of this ranch on that thing. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. So I got some ranch on here, and I'm gonna take my first bite. We're gonna see what this is hitting for. Now this is the lemon pepper. We're gonna try it out. Fresh, hot, nice thick size of meat. As you can see, pause. I don't know if you can see the meat. Nice, good size, you know what I'm saying? Smells good, definitely smell like lemon pepper. All right, we're gonna try it. I'm gonna try the side with the ranch on that thing. Please don't take this offensive, all right? Please don't take this offensive. But I see why people are fat. Boy, it tastes so good to be fat. Hey, to all my big people out there, I know why you big. Because boy, this bad food tastes so good. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God, yo. This shit right here is hot too. Shit. Whew. Yo. This, hey. This motherfucker hitting, boy. I ain't even. Nice thick layer of chicken too. A nice thick layer of chicken. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. Please don't take offense to this, but I see why some people are fat. It tastes so good to be fat. But all this, hey man, I just eat eggs. Like for breakfast, I be eating eggs and bacon, like turkey bacon for like breakfast. So when I get the chance to eat some food like this, boy, this shit be tasting like crack. Oh my God. That hot lemon pepper, mamma mia. Now we got the Korean Asian. No, I think it's spicy Asian. No. Spicy Korean. Got the spicy Korean. Yep. That thing thick too. I like them thick. Pause. Talking about my ladies. I like them thick, boy. Hey, ladies. If y'all look like this chicken sandwich right here, holla at me. I like my women just like I like my chicken sandwich. Thick, juicy, and tasty. Oh my God. Did these motherfuckers just come from Thailand? I mean, not Thailand, come from Korea? Who's the goddamn chef? Look. I'm literally at, see that right there? That is Wingstop. Hey, I'm about to go back in there and say, who cooked this food? Who cooked this food? Bruh, if you love Korean, that Korean taste, oh my God. I didn't even put the ranch on there. Hold on, we gotta put that ranch on there, bro. Like that, yeah. Yep. Jesus Lord. Oh yeah. Look at that motherfucker right there. Shit dripping on my. I ain't got no damn napkins. If y'all like chicken sandwich, hey, no cap. I am not sponsored by Wingstop. This goddamn sandwich is on point. I think they got 12 different flavors. I only got 2 of them. I got the hot lemon pepper and the Korean, the spicy Korean. Man, let me tell you. Oh my God, hold on. Look at this. Look how thick that meat is. It's thick too. Oh yeah. So hey, no cap. Seriously, if y'all ever want to try that this chicken sandwich from Wingstop, that bitch hitting. Alright, I'm about to get out this camera. I'm about to enjoy this food. So y'all leave a comment down below. Do y'all want me to start? God, what you look how thick? Hey ladies, if you look like this, if you look like this chicken sandwich right here, holla at me. All right. Hey, but y'all leave a comment down below. Do y'all want me to start doing food reviews? I guess this is like a food review. Trying something different. But these chicken sandwiches at Wingstop, hey, try them out. They hitting. Other than that, it's your boy DMD. I'm signing out, y'all. I'm about to enjoy my food. We out here. Peace.